India Today has accessed autopsy details of Disha Salian, the former manager of Sushant Singh Rajput, who was found dead days before the actor. The post-mortem report has revealed that Disha had suffered head injuries and had multiple other injuries from her fall from the 14th floor. Her post-mortem noted that primary cause of death were the injuries that were sustained in the plunge. The autopsy says that Disha died at around 2 a.m. on 9th of June. Crucially, the autopsy found no injuries in private parts. BJP MP Narayan Rane has claimed that Disha was raped and she was subsequently murdered. Rane had questioned why Mumbai police delayed Disha's autopsy for 2 days after her suspicious death. Cops who had initially called it an accidental death later claimed that Disha had died by suicide.
तिचं पोस्टमॉर्टम 11 तारीखला केलं. 8ला तिने उडी मारली असं म्हणतात आणि 11ला पोस्टमॉर्टम. मला सांगायचं आहे पोलिसांनी या आत्महत्येबद्दल अधिकची माहिती का केली नाही. मला जी माहिती मिळाली आहे की तिचं जे पोस्टमॉर्टम झालं त्या पोस्टमॉर्टम मध्ये पाहिलं तर तिने आत्महत्या केलेली नाहीये. तिची पण हत्या आहे. तिच्यावर बलात्कार करून तिला मारलेला आहे.
Saurabh Thania is now joining us for the latest. Saurabh, it's bizarre. The Mumbai police first calls it an accidental death. After 2 days says that she died by suicide. You know, nobody at the moment is on face value believing the official line of the Mumbai police because it is full of contradictions ever since this news has broken out. What does the post-mortem report reveal and what are your sources telling you in terms of what this could perhaps have been?
Well, nobody would be believing Mumbai police, but let me tell you, the claims which have been made by Narayan Rane is not even going by what the families is saying. Now, Narayan Rane has spoke up and come out in media claiming he had made big allegation, but till now he does not have any proof of it. Next, the Disha Salian's family have clearly made a statement that she was not sexually assaulted. They have no complaint against anyone. Now, the big question, which the big allegation which Narayan Rane actually made was first about the rape and murder, and second about the post-mortem which was carried after 2 days. Now, I spoke to some of the sources in the Mumbai Police Department who actually are investigating the whole case. The first thing they told us that there was no sexual assault which has been reported by the post-mortem, which was in primary post-mortem report which we have got, which we have accessed actually. The vaginal swab and the different swabs are been sent to the FSL, for which the reports will be coming in few days. They have requested the FSL to give the reports soon. But as far as the recreation of the whole crime scene was done, it was very evident and clear through the FSL and the other forensic expert that it's a clear case of suicide due to depression. The second thing is about why there was a delay about the post-mortem which was carried out, because Disha died at around 3
All right,
a.m.
Saurabh, leave it at that. So, but you know, the question really is, and we here at India Today are questioning as to whether or not there has been any kind of linkage between the two deaths as well, and in case the probe is going on track as the family would like it for it to go as well, given the fact that the family of Sushant Singh Rajput feels that this is a conspiracy, and we've got them on record saying that as well.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.